Today we will make cheese rolls with walnuts and honey. Let's start. So we need 200 grams bread flour, 100 grams all-purpose flour, 5 grams yeast, 5 grams salt, 20 grams dried milk powder, 1 large egg to be cold, 120 grams cold water, 50 grams sugar, 80 grams cold water, and for the filling we need 70 grams Feta cheese and 30 grams chopped walnut. Also we need this Texas pan. With a hook attachment, we will mix only for 3 minutes. Scrip down the edges. After 3 minutes, add all the butter to the dough. Mix on a medium-high speed for about 5 to 6 minutes. After 7 minutes, you will have a very sticky dough. Again, continue mixing for about 10 minutes on a medium-high speed. Grease a large bowl and put your dough inside and let it to rise for about 1 hour. Until it's double its size, we will prepare the base of the dough. For the glaze, we need 60 grams butter, 120 grams light brown sugar, 1 gram salt, 50 grams honey, and 60 grams chopped pecans. So for the glaze, we need 60 grams butter, 120 grams light brown sugar, 1 gram salt, 50 grams honey, and 60 grams chopped pecans. Brown sugar and 1 gram of the salt. If you don't want the honey to stick to the bowl, add a little bit oil your bowl before you put the honey inside. I add the honey and will mix. This is our base glaze. Put aside until our dough double in size. Butter your pan very well with butter. Now put about 1 scoop of the glaze here. About 2 tablespoons on each one. Now I will place my pan in the refrigerator. Now I will refrigerate it until my dough double in size. Double in size. Roll out the dough into 20 to 30 centimeters. Now divide it into 6 equal pieces. Cover for about 45 minutes. Meanwhile, preheat your oven to 170 Celsius. It's doubled in size into the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes. Oven temperature is 170 Celsius. After 20 minutes, I took it out, and while it's hot, I removed it from pan. Cheese rolls after they came out from the oven with the glaze of walnuts and honey. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you and goodbye.